Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here I would like to remind you that on June 13th I conducted one experiment to map the post inventory moves of natural gas. When the natural gas inventory was about to come, I constructed this expected trading zone with by stop loss at the levels of $2.308. I started to map the impact of announcement of natural gas inventory. Therefore, I decided to construct this expected trading zone on announcement of natural gas inventory. Here you can see the natural gas futures started to move downward. Friends, this is a 4-hour chart. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started to move downward with a steep downward move, but here at the levels of $2.322, natural gas futures found strong support due to thick presence of natural gas bulls below the levels of $2.327. As I explained in my previous analysis, you can check the link in this video. And here I find that after the formation of this bullish hammer, natural gas started to move upward with a steep upward move up to the levels of $2.399, where I was expecting it to break even the levels of $2.417. I find that if we have a look at the current position of natural gas futures in a 4-hour time frame, friends, this was the expected trading zone for June 13th to June 14th, where I predicted my expected moves till the weekly closing. I was expecting the natural gas futures to break even the resistance of $2.148 till the weekly closing, but I find that still the weekly closing looks evident enough for an eruptive move during the upcoming week. Therefore, now I have constructed my expected trading zone for the natural gas futures for the week of June 16th. Here I have marked my expected opening zones on the first trading session of the upcoming week. So this will be my gap down opening zone, this will be my normal opening zone, this will be my gap up opening zone, this will be my breakout opening zone. Now I find that this formation in a 4-hour time frame looks evident enough for a gap up opening above the level of $2.431. If we find the natural gas futures to see a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we will see the natural gas futures to test the immediate resistance at the level of $2.515, where the 200 days moving average will provide stiff resistance to natural gas futures in case of an upward move, where we can expect the natural gas futures to move downward up to the levels of $2.452, from where they may once again take a steep upward move where they will break the 200 days moving average resistance, and I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.548 will result in more sharp upward moves, because after a sustainable move we will find a short coming rallies in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. Therefore, I find that the natural gas futures may test the levels of $2.748 during the upcoming week, and I find that the natural gas futures will try to move in zigzag manner amid these two uptrend lines which I have marked, and I find finally the natural gas futures may remain on a uptrend voyage during the upcoming week. No doubt that a sustainable move above the level of $2.748 will result in more upward moves up to the level of $2.788 during the upcoming week. So friends, I find that during the upcoming week my stop loss levels will be at the level of $2.304, and I would like to go long from these levels. If we find the natural gas futures to open at the same levels on the first trading session of the week, we will see the natural gas futures to sustain amid this zone before moving upward. If the natural gas futures finds a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we will see the natural gas futures to test the levels of $2.347 before moving upward up to the levels of $2.514, where the natural gas futures will face stiff resistance from 200 days moving average. But no doubt that the natural gas futures will try to sustain at this level amid this range before moving more upward up to the levels of $2.648, and I find that during the upcoming week we will see the natural gas futures to complete this U-shaped recovery, and definitely it will be a technical bounce which will negate all the fundamentals. No doubt that the oversupply issue is still intact in natural gas, but I find that the upcoming summer season will generate more cooling demand in natural gas, which will encourage natural gas bulls to move upward to make a sharp upward move up to the levels of $2.889 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.